Hi everyone! So today we're going to be learning how to use the Factitious 2018 version game. As you all know, on Friday we're going to be having our class and it's going to be about fact and fiction in news articles. And I just want to make sure everyone had a great idea of how to use this program before we teach it to you guys in your class. Alrighty, so this is the first thing you should see when you come to the Factitious website. You're going to go ahead and type in factitious.augamestudio.com and this should come up, and we will also be sending you all the link in the email for the classroom. Okay, so when you see this, you're going to go ahead and press OK. And then you can press OK again, and you'll see all of the different weeks that you can go through. And if you want to go ahead and play with it before our class on Friday, please do, so that you can be experts when we learn about it in the classroom. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out. So all I did was press week 1, and the object of this game is if you can tell real news from fake news. And obviously, fake news is a more modern term, but what they really want you to do is figure out if an article is real or if it is fake. And by real or fake, a good way to look at that is fiction or non-fiction. Fiction, as we learned in our class last week, fiction means something that is not real or based on untrustworthy sources. Okay, and then real news or fact is something that actually happened, events that actually happened. Okay, so let's go ahead and play a few rounds. All right, so when you see an article, this right here is an article. When you see an article, you're going to go ahead and look at what? Our title. Very good. So we have Trump suggests immigrants wear identifying bands. All right, so think about that title just like we taught in class last week. What do you think about this title? All right, well, let's look through a little bit more information to see if we can guess if this is real or fake. Let's look at the picture. Does this picture look trustworthy? Let's read a little bit of the article. I suggest you read all of the article because you never know if it is fact or fiction. You can't really know that without looking through. And we can also look at our source, as you see here. Does this look like a real source? All right, well, I think based on the picture, the title, and the article, and the source, that this is real. Let's give it a check mark and see if it's real. You can scroll down and you will see a red X and a green check mark. Incorrect! Oh no! It was fake. So that's pretty much what you do, and you can just continue to go through and play as many times so that you can become a champ at it for our next class. All right, let's do one more. China assigns every citizen a social credit score to identify who is and isn't trustworthy. Let's see what our source is. CBS New York. Does that sound real? Let's look through the article and look at the picture. I think this is real. What do you guys think? All right, let's see if it is real. Let's press our green check mark. Correct! Okay, great job, everyone. Okay, so go ahead and look through our game so that you know what to do when we get to our class on Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you all on Friday and using our Factitious game to learn more about fact and fiction in journalism.